Hey, Sunday evening, 8 p.m. in Germany. Today I will only do pull-ups as much as I can. So therefore I will use as one resistance band and then two, but I will try to push my body to the limit. Let's go. Very interesting feeling. So after the first 6 pull-ups I was already done, but then taking the second resistance band and do another 6 was feeling weird, but at the end it was feeling great. So maybe that is a good technique to get to do more pull-ups in the first set. Let's see, I will try it the next days. So, see you tomorrow.